Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today has finally come. We're picking up the trunk today and we're installing it to my car. So we're heading to Racingbees, and then after that dropping off the trunk at Vinny's shop, Dreamtech Auto, and I'm gonna go get Brookie and then install the trunk at Dreamtech Auto. So let's get to it. It is. It's the box. It fits perfectly. We just pushed in the seat. So heading to Dreamtech Auto. So we just pick up Brookie. It's about time to install the trunk. Switch the car up, and I just drop off the trunk at Dreamtech Auto. So make sure I lock the other car. Yeah, it's locked, and let's go. So I just took out the car and it's kind of snowing. I hate driving the car when it's snowing or when it's raining now, but I just kind of have to because I gotta put on the new trunk and I'm super excited about it. This is gonna be a big surprise for people that's going to Import Expo, but I'm releasing this video right after Import Expo anyway for sure, and I'll have a video of Import Expo, and when I get there, it's kind of like part of the surprise for that show. I also have another part that's coming in. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna go pick it up myself to drive all the way there, or just fly over there or something. So yeah, so there's a few surprises that's coming up for you guys. But for today, we'll be doing the trunk install. I'm gonna be watching a few videos, doing an install. So most likely, I'm just gonna install it. Then I'll show you guys the trunk again, and we'll see how the trunk will look here. And I don't know how long will it take me to install it. But big shout out to Racingbees for getting the trunk for me. I know it took a while. We've run to some difficulties, but it's fine. The main thing, it's here, and I'm just excited to have it on the car. So yeah, super excited about it. I'll show you guys how it will look later. I hope it doesn't take me that long to film it, but we'll see how it goes. So I'll see you guys there. We're just pulling out of Dreamtech. There's a few cars ahead of me, and yep, just waiting for it. Let them move their cars and stuff, so I can start working on my car. So since after Motorama, I know when I drove the car it was raining. I never washed the car. It's kind of filthy, but it's gonna be a quick wash later, maybe depending on how the rain is, and I hope you guys love that. What's happening is I'm getting rid of this trunk and replacing it with whatever's in this box. I think I've showed you guys that before from the other video, but the new trunk is right here, and we'll be installing it in the car. So guys, I watched some video of how to get rid of this trunk. Like, I have to take off all these parts here. I'll show it to you guys. All these clips here. This one I have to remove it, put it to the new trunk. This part here, same thing here. I have to take off all these clips here, remove all that stuff, remove this as well. And yeah, and I know I still have to take off, I'm planning on taking off all the tensioner, so that's for sure. So that's what's gonna be happening, and let's see how it goes. So it's off now. Thank you, Vinny, for helping me out. He's doing it for me now. So we just have to take off all these bolts, take off the lights, the wiring and stuff from this car. Vinny's taking it off for me. Thank you, bro.
Anytime, Joe.
And so we're using the roof rack to hold the liner, the trunk liner. It's right here. So now I'm gonna try to take this off, and I'm gonna figure out how to take this off as well. Take this off. We're gonna take off a lot of things. Yeah, so I'm still watching some video of how to do this, but we're just like going along. I keep forgetting. I watched it a few times, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So, but Vinny here is helping me out. Thank you, bro.
I'm gonna create a video.
It's off. New trunk coming soon. We're just taking off the plates, taking off the emblem, taking off this taillight, trunk taillight. So I'm super excited for this. It's been a while since I've been waiting. It's been almost a year, but it's supposed to be one of my first mod. Well,
One of the few.
Not a first, but this mod's supposed to be before my hood.
All right, that's it, Joe. We're done.
That's it. Goodbye. So this is the new trunk. We're trying to figure out how to put in the lights. I think we still have to fly-light a little bit. And I'm struggling. Vinny comes to the rescue, figuring it out. This is the only thing with all aftermarket parts.
Use duct tape.
No way, bro. So we did some fabrication. We did Vinny cut off some of the screws just to make sure it gets tied up. The screws are a little bit longer, so instead of buying new screw, what we did is he cut down the screws and the nuts and put an extra washer just to make sure that we can make it tight. And
BMW guys.
well, Vinny and I will get back to try to align it and stuff, and yeah, I'll show it to you guys when it's all done. So like, it's so nice.
No words.
Yeah, I can't. I'm super excited for this. So I waited for so long, and look at these guys.
So I'm a pro, the finest. Oh, it looks like so. That's a 98.
It's almost done, but fucking sick. Right, so it's finally done, and yeah, so it's already done. I'm loving the new look of the trunk. So far right now I'm just waiting for my wheels, and that's about it. I'm done for the season, I think, for the car, and we'll see what else changes I'm gonna do, but I'm loving the trunk and I'm super happy with it. Thank you to Racingbees for hooking me up with the trunk, and thank you Vinny from Dreamtech Auto for always helping me out, giving me a hand, letting me work on my car. And because I know it's still cold today, and yeah, he gave me a hand on working on the car. He also give it a quick bath and just a rinse. But yeah, so that's about it. We just haven't put on the badge yet because it's kind of cold, so we're planning on doing that tomorrow when it's a little bit warmer, and we're gonna use some double-sided tape to put it on. So that's about it, and the car is done. Yeah, so I'm wrapping it up the video today, and if you guys like the video, please like the video and also subscribe. See you guys next time.